Have you ever wondered how we are able to see what lies beneath the glistening surface of the ocean? Well, prepare to dive into a mesmerizing journey as we explore the enchanting realm of underwater photography and discover the hidden treasures that await beneath the waves. Underwater photography has gained popularity as both a recreational activity and a professional career. It allows photographers to capture unique and mesmerizing images of marine life and underwater landscapes in various environments. Photographers overcome the challenges posed by water by using specialized equipment like underwater housings for their cameras. These housings provide a waterproof seal to protect the camera from water damage. Some advanced underwater housings even allow full control of camera settings and functions while submerged, enabling photographers to make precise adjustments to capture the perfect shot. Underwater strobes or lights are essential tools for photographers to overcome the loss of color and enhance the visibility of their subjects. These lights emit a burst of light at the moment of shutter release, providing sufficient illumination in the low-light underwater environment. Photographers carefully position the strobes or lights to reduce backscatter, which is the unwanted reflection caused by suspended particles in the water, ensuring clear and vibrant images. To capture the grandeur of expansive underwater landscapes, like coral reefs or the intricate details of small marine organisms, photographers utilize different types of lenses. Wide-angle lenses allow them to capture a larger view, showcasing the interaction between marine life and their surroundings. On the other hand, macro lenses are used to capture the intricate details of small organisms such as seahorses, nudibranchs, or tiny corals, providing a close-up view of their beauty. Color correction filters are sometimes employed in underwater photography to restore natural colors. These filters are specifically designed to counteract the dominant blue or green color cast caused by water. By helping to bring back warm tones and vibrant colors that are visible in shallower waters, these filters enhance the visual appeal of underwater images. Achieving buoyancy control is crucial in underwater photography to maintain stability and prevent disturbing the marine environment. By using buoyancy control devices like floats or underwater wings, photographers attain neutral buoyancy, allowing them to move smoothly underwater and maintain a consistent position while capturing images. This technique ensures that photographers can focus on composing shots without causing harm to marine organisms or their delicate surroundings. A good understanding of marine life behavior is essential for successful underwater photography. By observing and knowing the habits of different species, photographers can anticipate their movements and position themselves for the perfect shot. Respecting the environment and avoiding any disturbance or harm to marine organisms is crucial for responsible underwater photography, ensuring the conservation of marine ecosystems. In terms of safety, proper training and certifications are necessary for underwater photographers. Divers must obtain certifications like the Open Water Diver Certification, ensuring they have the necessary skills and knowledge to dive safely. Following ethical guidelines and obtaining the required permissions and permits are also important aspects of responsible underwater photography, allowing photographers to capture stunning images while maintaining the integrity of the marine environment. Overall, underwater photography combines technical skills, creativity, and a deep appreciation for the underwater world. By overcoming the challenges of capturing images in this unique setting and practicing responsible methods, photographers can bring the enchanting beauty of marine life to the surface for all to admire. Through their images, they provide a glimpse into the captivating world hidden beneath the waves.
Oh, hello there, dear viewer. Still here, are we? Well, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're looking for more content, here's what the YouTube gods think you will want next. If you wish to support the channel further, feel free to check the description below for some useful links. And bye for now.